So peeps, as a very unfortunate trend continues to gather steam, where we're seeing members of the public have been making it difficult and in many cases impossible for police officers to execute their duties, especially trying to detain or arrest someone. And this is what we know about tussling with the police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police high command has responded to the need for clarity about the procedures which should guide situations that are becoming far too common these days, wherein members of the public become engaged in both heated verbal and physical tussles with police personnel, particularly while arrests are being made. In its statement late on Friday, April 20th, the High Command of the police noted that uniformed police officers, in attempting to carry out arrests, sometimes not only face resistance from the alleged offenders, but also members of the wider public. It was noted further that in some cases, cops have ended up being assaulted. Several of these incidents have been captured on video, shared on social media, and have thus been widely circulated. Assistant Superintendent of Police Delia Garrick, who heads the Corporate Communications Unit in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, described the practice as being dangerous. Sometimes they hold on to the officers, posing a danger to themselves and the officer. We are appealing to members of the public to desist from doing this. If you are obstructing the police in any way from carrying out their job in an effective manner, you will be prosecuted, she warned. As such, the High Command is reminding citizens that they have a responsibility to comply with the instructions of the police when they are being arrested, failing which the arresting officer may use whatever proportionate force necessary to safely effect the arrest. In its statement, the High Command urged citizens who may be in the area at the time of the arrest to desist from crowding the police, interfering in the process and trying to free the accused person, as this not only obstructs the police but also exposes the officers and the accused persons to increased risk. The High Command said there are numerous avenues for redress if the suspect or offender feels that he or she has been wronged by the police. The High Command has also made it clear that individuals who interfere with a police officer in the lawful execution of his or her duties will be liable to prosecution. It pointed to the Inspectorate of Constabulary and the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDECOM) as bodies which conduct investigations into alleged case of abuse of power by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Stop it.
You know, it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
As a nation, we have gradually become more and more deviant and lawless, and we continue to show scant regards for the rules and regulations which governs us as a nation. And this trend where persons continue to fight police, to obstruct the police, to tussle with police is a dangerous practice. And in many other jurisdictions around the world, you can't even go close to a police officer, much less to touch him. And until one of the police officers take serious and drastic action to execute their duty, I am afraid that this trend will continue, but somebody will pay for it if it doesn't cease. These people always feel down. On the flip side of that, we know that some police officers are very impolite, are very unprofessional, and they think they can deal with members of the public any old way, and that cannot obtain, that cannot continue, and it must be respect both way. You show respect and you get back the respect. So for the police officers who feel like them can deal with citizens in any old way and they expect compliance, then you have a second guess. But at the end of the day, peeps, it's our responsibility to adhere to the rules and regulations that governs us as a people and act civilized, man. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.